It's long life too.
Vive l'Inde.
Yes.
Ah ouais. Long life to India.
Yeah, I love Om.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Ah, there's many devotees here. This is a telephone here. You want to try this?
This is a telephone number.
Yeah. One number is missing.
Indirect. Indirect. Remember?
Une petite question.
Petite
question.
Je cherche l'inspiration.
Une Chamona River.
Godavari. Rayamana
But who will take bath? This is the problem. This is Godavari, this is true.
Not cold.
But you have to take bath, then you please understand.
We take bath every day here, Maharaj. During the summertime.
Summer, now, summer
Same.
time.
It's cold. It's cold.
This cold?
Very cold in summer also.
Now?
Now also. Now more. Now maybe what? 10 degrees? 8 degrees?
No.
Not so cold.
L'été, c'est pas très froid quand même.
Bon, quand même.
Oh, déjà
Vas-y, essaye, mets ton pied, on va voir.
Non.
Ah, les froids,
L'été, oui, mais pas maintenant.
Ah, pas si froide, hein?
Moi, je me suis mis jusque là. Tu vois.
Non, moi je suis pas là.
Ça n'empêche pas qu'elle est froide.
J'étais à l'océan il n'y a pas longtemps et même
Ouais.
गोता लगा ले गुरु
पागल है क्या? पागल कहीं भी डुबकी लगा लेते हैं। जस्सा आत्मबुद्धि कुनौपी सिद्धात के सौदी खलत्रासु भूमुज्य ऋतु जनसु सईव गोखरा।
इसका अर्थ
क्या हो रहा है? अब तक क्या?
What's the meaning of that?
जस्सा आत्मबुद्धि कुनौपी सिद्धात के सौदी खलत्रासु भूमुज्य बुद्धि विद्यति। I mean, one who always absorbs his material body, and if he is thinking any pond, he is thinking this is the river, or this is the any sacred river. Actually, he is called river. He is stupid, nonsense.
Gurushu Naramati, the same verse?
जस्सा आत्मबुद्धि कुनौपी सिद्धात्की सौदी कलत्राधि भूमो यदि जब चित्त बुद्धि न तो जनेसु कहेसु स एव गोखर. Gokhara means he is very foolish.
It means he's like
Donkey.
a donkey amongst the cows.
A cow, yeah.
Bhakti Rakshakshila Maharaj. A monkey amongst the
Srimad
cows.
Bhagavad Slok 2. When
An animal.
Krishna, Baladev killed the what is your usur? Dhenukasur. Dhenukasur as we did.
Donkey stories, Maharaj. Do you know any? Donkey stories?
Donkey story many.
Yeah. You know that. I am a donkey, I cannot remember all my pastimes.
So shouldn't take
We should not think that this is Yamuna.
Are who is think Jamuna?
उत्तम भागवत
Uttam Bhagavad. Uttam Bhagavad can think this is Jamuna. Our Jangam Deke Nadiketar Mukti Jahaja Nishta Puri Ishta Devi Spurti. Spurti means what is Spurti? Understand?
Spurti is
Spurti means stimulation. Stimulation. Uttam Bhagavad, he looks, this thing is Jamuna. And that time, then all his pastimes of Vrindavan manifest in his heart. This. Actual Yogamaya, she also manifests the Yamuna, not a. So maybe you saying, oh, this is the imaginary, as like what is it called?
imagination.
imagination of who is Advaitavadi. Advaitavadi, they also they imagine. So this is the imagine. But no, Yogamaya, she herself manifests the Yoguna idea.
She manifests the Dham there.
Dham there. He looks at the actual real Yamuna idea.
What about Baladev?
Eh?
Baladev, Sandhini Shakti?
Sandhini Shakti idea, Baladev.
What's the relationship between Baladev and Yogamaya? Because Yogamaya, she's arranging the Dham, and the Dham is also Baladev's
Baladev
energy.
Prabhu, he is the presiding deities of Dham. Dham was Murta Vigraha, Baladev Prabhu. Yogamaya, she arranged how to, according to the desires of Krishna, Yogamaya, she manifests these things.
So they are very close to each other, no?
Yogamaya,
Baladev and Yogamaya.
Yogamaya, her duty is this. According to desire of Krishna, she arranges everything. Bhagavano vi taratri sarada utfulla mallika runtu manaschakre Yogamaya upasita. Yogamaya upasita. Yogamaya she arranges. Why? Because Krishna's desire comes. Krishna is thinking, I will perform Ras dance with the gopis.
Oh look, one animal in the water.
Otter. Oh my God! Look at that.
How do you call them? Otter?
Otter. No.
Sisi.
No, it's like a mammal. Like a big rat.
Katka.
He's coming for Arikata.
He was fishing.
Oh, he got one mouse.
Il a chopé un...
Non, mais ça, c'est comment ça s'appelle?
C'est son
Des
bébé.
belettes, des fouines, un truc comme ça.
L'outre.
De l'outre, ça?
Il y en a des petites.
Very rare to see.
Il y a des serpents ici aussi.
C'est sa bébé?
Des petits. Tout petits.
Ah, je pensais qu'il transporte son bébé.
C'est possible aussi.
Si c'était un bébé.
Sorry Maharaj, I disturb your Harikatha. Please, if you think we are fit, you can continue.
Yogamaya, her duty is this day. She knows the heart of Krishna. What does he want? Then she arranges everything. And actually, who is the Yogamaya? Origin, who is the Yogamaya? Srimati Radhika. Because servitual, who can serve to Krishna? Who knows the heart of Krishna? So Srimati Radhika, she knows the heart of Krishna. For this regard, she arranges. She manifests his many forms. Her actual, her many, what is called? Expand. Kaya they are these. And so for this regard, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, Srimati Radhika she can fulfill all the desires of Krishna. But without many consort, Krishna will not be happy. Bahu kamta bina nahi rasira ullas. Ras, mellows will be what you call suitable and tasteful with the many kinds of ingredients will come.
Variety.
Variety. This variety is the main thing of our Ras Madhurya. Ras Madhurya, you understand? Sweetness of the mellows. Ras Madhurya will come. Fulfill your stomach. You can eat anything, your stomach will be full. You will be, sorry, after book,
Your hunger will go
hunger
away.
will go. You can do it. But when you eat, that time you are making many kinds of sabji with putting many kinds of ingredients. Why? For the taste.
Yeah, sweet, sour, salt.
Huh?
Yeah.
Understand? Sweet, sour, salt, Yeah. So in the same way, ras means is what? Rasate asaditi rasa. Ras means rasate asaditi rasa. The ras, this word is coming from ras, mellows. Krishna, he releases these all kinds of mellows in the ras dance. So Yogamaya, she knows the heart of Krishna. I said, who is Yogamaya? Srimati Radhika. Just Srimati Radhika manifests many forms. Yogamaya, Sokhi, other many things. Bahu kamta bina nahi rasera ullas. Without many concepts, Krishna will not be happy. So for this regard, Srimati Radhika, she manifests many forms. Her expansion, Lalita, Visakha, Kaivo, Manjaris, even nowadays everything is there.
At what point Yogamaya she stops and Vrinda she takes over? What point?
Then you coming this way, had three forms. One is Yogamaya, one is called Brinda, or another Purnamasi Devi. Actually, why three expressions? According to Rasa Vilas, Brinda Devi's her duty to only to have to arrange Krishna's Madhurya Ras, conjugal Ras, Madhurya Ras, Brinda Devi.
Intimate thing.
Very intimate Leelas, this is and
Yogamaya Purnamasi ne?
mainly Nishanta Leela. And Nishanta Leela duty is what? There is Brinda Devi. Dekhiya Arunodoy, Brinda Devi, ব্যস্ত হয় কুঞ্জে নানা রব উঠাইল সুখসারি পদ্ম শুনি উঠে রাধা নীলমণি ভক্তিমন ঠাকুর ভজন রস last verse. Brinda Devi, this is duty. The end of night, the how Radha and Krishna, they have to leave that Kunja Bangali. This is the so Brinda Devi is her Leela is Madhurya Ras. Radha Krishna, how they are meet and how they also separate. Because meeting, separation, meeting. This is called the job. Prem Ras Madhurya coming. Viraha Milan, Viraha. Navina Viplambhena Sambhag Pushti Masunti. Jatha Ranjiti Kasaita Bastra. Without separation, meeting will not increase, not testable. So, 4 types of viraha, separation, and 4 types of meeting. And related to each other. So, who is doing this way? Brinda Devi actually this way. Her duty is this. And how Radha Krishna they will meet. How they also separate. This is also her duty. So now coming in this, Brinda Devi is this is duty Madhurya Ras. Conjugal rasa. A Yogamaya in a Jhadisme, Purnamasi, her duty is also Madhurya, but not direct to Radha Krishna's meeting this man. Purnamasi's duty is different. But Braj, all Leela had duty to Braj, Purnamasi.
Like when Krishna he wants a demon to come to attract the attraction of the Parika.
Sometimes
then
Purnamasi
Yogamaya,
Devi is her
she
duty, this is
makes
how
the
to Radha and Krishna, when they feeling separation, in that time she also pacify to each other. And especially when Srimati Radhika, she felt pang of separation from Krishna, that time Purnamasi Devi pacified to Srimati Radhika. The Krishna is Satyabhat. Purnamasi Devi many times she spoke At Katha. Krishna's Oisarja Lila Katha. Krishna is Bhagavan, Devi. This is our duty of, this is the duty of Yogamaya. Purnamasi. Our Yogamaya, her duty is what? Her duty Vaikuntha to Golok Vrindavan. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Nang Prakaso Sarvasya Yogamaya Samabritam. I am not manifested myself everywhere. Everywhere not manifested myself. I also hide with my Yogamaya. Nahang Prakaso Sarvasya Yogamaya Samabritam. And I hide myself with my Yogamaya. Yogamaya. And Yogamaya her duty also to arrangement. Her duty is what is actually called. What is called? So management, you know. Management. Organizer. I was Nasan Prabhu, organizer.
Yeah, organizing.
Organizer.
Balaram, Paramananda,
La base.
Vidai, but you see they are not here. The organizers, they are not the real organizers, they are not here. We are already there.
With the Bhaktivedanta Sai Maharaj, he told, who is the best organizer, he is the best preacher.
Best what?
Who is the best organizer, just I listen his katha, he told. But who is the best preacher? Well, who is the best organizer, he is the best preacher.
Who said that?
Bhaktivedanta Sai Maharaj.
Huh?
Bhaktivedanta Sai Maharaj, you can listen there. I listen YouTube, something.
Okay.
Who is the best organizer, he is the best preacher. If you not organize properly, how preach? Look, many devotees here, if you not organize how people will eat, how people will sleep, how people will do, how possible the devotee will come. Now just announcement here is Harikatha come. So will come. You have to preach. Nice prasadam, nice sweet. Eh? This organize. Organize is, everything depends on the organizer. That is called director, you know, in the film director. Cinema film director, his duty is very, what is called? Important. Prominent.
Like le chef d'orchestre. Comment on dit en anglais?
Maestro.
Maestro. Maestro.
Maestro.
Conductor.
You know the one who goes like this? Conductor. Music. Orchestra. Yeah. Harmonizing all musicians. You know.
Maharaj, there is some contradiction that you said that Radharani feel that Krishna will be happy if there is many Nayika. But
I am not saying Chaitanya Charitamrita. Bahukanta bina nahi rase raguna.
Yes, but Rupa Goswami says that Krishna, he doesn't look for any flower in that garden of Vrindavan. He's only looking for that very special lotus flower, and he runs there. So, like, he's not interested by the other Nayika.
You are saying the many flowers, but there's the what the only one flower. What is happening?
No,
What you are speaking is the truth. But the many flowers,
No,
there
that's
will go
Rupa
among
Goswami
these
saying, not me, Maharaj.
and I am the first in my class, but only one student.
But he is the best. He is the best. He is the best. Nobody can beat him up.
Not to worry.
because he's the only student.
So this is the opinion. When many, that time you can say, comparative degree is coming, there are many. So you are saying, for many flowers in Madhurika, so what is many? Many flowers for this regard. So one boy told, Mom, do you know, I'm the best student in my class. So how many students have you? I'm one.
He's the world champion in his village.
Village champion. He's the
World champion in his village.
Il y avait un concours de...
There was only one player.
There was like...
You are losing, so what is it?
Contest. There was a contest in the class that every boy, they have to vote who is the best mother. And two boys, they came to their mother and said, you won the contest. To the mother. And she said, how? Everybody vote for his own mother. Well, we are twins. So we vote two, we vote for you. So you are the one, you won the contest.
2 votes.
2 votes.
2 votes, everybody won. We were two brothers, so we won.
Chalo. Bolo Vrindavan.
He was asking yesterday,
Maharaj, हम आरोप कर सकते हैं? We can आरोप, as bhaktas we can.
that thing you were asking to
I know Mahaprabhu is with them.
yesterday. You were asking, remember?
You can impose everybody.
How you know you're not to come? It's not your business to decide. Maharaj will say, you are or not. If he say you are Uttam, then you
One who
are.
can recognize another
Yeah,
Uttam.
that's why. I'm telling you. You cannot know because you...
Because bhakti,
No, he is very merciful. He is very merciful.
because first Arop Siddha Bhakti, then Sangha Siddha, then Sarupa Siddha Bhakti. Arop imposes. If you know this is not the Joguna, but you can impose Arop. Oh, this is your mood, simple mood, you know. I am to say Mahabhagavat. Okay, you can do this. Okay? Do Arati, Maharaj he told. In my month of Kartik, you cannot go to India. So yeah, devotees are coming this year, this is Yamuna, we can do impose and this is. धातुरंत कस्य पत्तने उइपत्ति हारिणी कक्षापि पाप्नोपि पाप सिंधुतारि नीरमाधुर्योपि असिचित्त वंदने मंग पुनातु सर्वदा रविंद वंदने जमुना अष्टक में
By doing Aropsida Bhakti, how do we reach pure Bhakti?
with the association of sadhu sangha, then sangha siddha coming. Sangha siddha means association with sadhu, then all the good qualification will come. After sadhu sangha, then sambit and hladini manifest in your heart. Because without sadhu sangha, any method you cannot to achieve your spiritual life. This is the main thing. So when Sangha Siddha means Sangena Siddha Jayati di Sangha Siddha. What is the definition of Sangha Siddha? Sangena Jayati. Sangha means Sadhu Sangha. With the association of Sadhu, then Bhakti Devi will come manifest in your heart. And when Bhakti Devi manifests in your heart, then automatically all the good qualification will come. This is the logical way. Bhakti manifests one's heart, that the symptom is good qualification. Understand? Good qualification will come. Sattva, Saucha, Daya, Poitri, all good qualification will come.
That Bhakti will be coming, manifesting by these two, Sambit and Ladini.
Bhakti means is what? Bhakti means the combine of Sambit and Hladini.
So when these two
Jayavadhana
comes
Bhakti,
in the
what
heart,
is the Bhakti? Bhakti actually that is called the combination of Sambit and Hladini. Sambit means transcendental knowledge. Hladini that is called pleasure potential.
yeah.
This is, but this is coming with the association of sadhu, sadhu sangha. So for this regard, everywhere is explaining Krishna Bhakti Janma Mool Hoy Sadhu Sangha. The root cause of the Krishna Bhakti, that is called the association of sadhu. So sadhu sangha, sangha siddha bhakti is coming, good qualification will come. Then when you do bhajan and sadhan, then the mercy of Guru and Krishna, then Sarupa Siddha Bhakti will come. Sarup means one who realizes his own transcendental constitutional form and direct serve to divine Radha and Krishna. That is the Sarupa Siddha. This is that.
So Arop Siddha, Siddha Bhakti is, they're not performing Swarup Siddha, but they think they are doing, and therefore...
Arup, that's imposing, you know.
Imposing
What
Bhakti on something.
Gurudev told, this Vigraha is Bhagavan. But he has no realization. So he has faith with the words of Guru. He is worshipping the Thakurji. Vigraha is what? He brought one marble statue,
Yeah.
Radha Krishna. Then so Gurudev told, okay, this is Radha, this is Sachidananda Vigraha. But he has faith with the words of Guru. So with his faith he is doing.
Okay. How does it call the Arop Siddha?
Because he is imposing, he has no realization. Guru says, so for this regard he is imposing. He has no realization this is Sachidananda or not. Kanishta Adhikari is doing Archan. What is he doing Archan? Archan means is what? Worship. Worship is who is doing worship? Archanakha Bhakti, Archan, who is doing Archan? Imposing. The Guru says, okay, this is Vigraha Sachidananda. Guru has idea, Guru has realization, this is Sachidananda. But disciple has no realization, this is Sachidananda. Just he is imposing, Guru's Bhakti.
Aha, okay.
Guru's Bhakti imposing.
He has faith in Guru's words, so he
Faith
thinks,
is good.
but he has
Because
no
Kanishta
realization.
Adhikari is one qualification, that is called because soft faith with the instruction of Shastra or Guru. That is soft faith, not strong faith, Dhrida faith. This is the thing. But he has no realization, this is Sachidananda. Sometimes given a Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, have you seen Krishna? Yes. Where is he? Where is he? This Vigraha. This Vigraha is Sachidananda. You are looking, this is, just I am listening, this is Swami Maharaj Katha. He is saying, you are looking, this is the stone, but I am looking, this is Sachidananda. Your conception and my conception is different. Prahlad Maharaj told, Lord is Vishnu, he is definitely everywhere. Hiranyakashipu, where is Vishnu? Vishnu? Everywhere, I need Vishnu. So this is the thing.
There is one beautiful story. I heard one devotee remembering Prabhupada. He was in London and he was speaking in the class. And there was one Indian lady devotee who was quite active and doing a lot of seva in the temple. And she was sitting very close to Prabhupada and all the devotees there in the beauty place, the first temple in London. And then she asked a question at the end of the class. She asked Prabhupada, do you see Krishna? Do you see Krishna? And Prabhupada said, yes, everywhere you can see Krishna. And he turned himself to the lady and said, do you want to see Krishna also? And then she dropped her face like this and was showing that that is the problem. You don't want to see Krishna.
Maharaj, you said that Bhakti was a combination of Sambit and Ladini Shakti. Why not Samdini Shakti as well?
This is the Sambit and Hladini, then they material on the platform of Sandhini.
On the platform, so it's there as well.
Sandhini,
Yeah.
Sandhini, that is called what is
Foundation.
Support.
Foundation.
the
Foundation and
Exists. Platform. So there is coming in this way. So this is the Baladev Prabhu. Baladev Prabhu is the presiding deity of Sandhini.
We are sitting on and walking on.
But you said only combination of two. Why not then three? Three are there.
Where I will sit? This is no. Then coming this way. Because
Three are there.
you try to. Then three is coming here. Because all these three are the transcendental. When you are discussing this is wood. This is what? You think this is Sandhini. But this is wood. But this is the Baladev Prabhu. When the Baladev, this is also Chit Sandhini. This is also transcendental. You understand? Maybe not.
Somewhat.
Sandhini, Sambit, Sandhini and Hladini. Three things also transcendental. Sachidananda. Sat, Chit, Ananda. Sachidananda. But Bhakti Devi manifesting where? Bhakti Devi is transcendental. Transcendental thing cannot touch the material thing. So Baladev Prabhu himself acting this role of
she's moving up.
how do you call?
A platform.
Sandhini, platform. This is his duty. Then Radha Krishna, Sambit and Hladini, that is called Radha Krishna. Because Krishna is the presiding deity of Sambit, Jnanamaya Bhagavan. And Srimati Radhika, she is the presiding deity of Hladini, Ananda. So Radha Krishna sit in where? Sandhini. This Dham, Baladev Prabhu, he manifested Dham also. Dasame Dasamam Lakshitam. Srimad Bhagavatam, Dasame Dasamam. You know, Srimad Bhagavat, how to manifest Srimad Bhagavat is Mahapurana. That is that 10 symptoms are there. Dasavidha Lakshan. You read Srimad Bhagavatam, Sarga, Visarga, Iti, Uti, Manantar, this katha is there. That's it. Then it is saying, Dasame Dasama Lakshmanam Bhagavatam. Who is Bhagavat? Krishna. Actually, see, Bhagavat is what is called? Baladev Prabhu is there. Without Baladev Prabhu, Krishna can't manifest himself. So first Baladev Prabhu manifests the Dham Sarup. Then Krishna, he performs Leela with Srimati Radhika. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So Baladev Prabhu's duty is what? This Dhama Sarup. So Baladev Prabhu, he serves to Krishna in different ways. And 10 ways he serves to Krishna. Asana, Vasan, Paduka, Paduka, Suja,
Shoes,
Krishna,
yeah.
everything is actual Baladev Prabhu. Even Krishna's cloth, who is he? Baladev Prabhu. Even Krishna's body, who is he? Baladev Prabhu. And because when you understand how possible your material concept, our body is material, Krishna's body is also this. No. Krishna's, everything is also. But again, who is Baladev Prabhu? Baladev non-different is Krishna. That's Krishna's second expansion. Ditya Kalavar. Ditya Kalavar is second expansion of his body. Understand? What this is? So for this, there are no difference Baladev Prabhu and Krishna. Tattva Vichar, when you Tattva Vichar, there are no difference between Baladev and Krishna. Krishna is Baladev, Baladev is Krishna. But when we this thing, Baladev Prabhu's duty is this. Baladev Prabhu many duties. And understand?
What's the role of Srimati Radharani? Radharani, she's non different than Krishna. So Krishna manifests Baladev. So
Srimati
Radharani,
Radhika,
what's her?
Srimati Radhika, she is the Hladini potency.
Yeah.
Hladini's potency duty is given. Hladini Sakti Dara Krishna re na chahe. This is the main thing, so the Ananda, bliss, pleasure. Srimati Radhika is the pleasure potency of Krishna. How Krishna will be pleased? For this is her duty. This is her duty, how Krishna will be pleased. And Leela's many kinds of activities she is doing.
My question is different. Question is different. Krishna is the original, Avatari, and Baladev is second, coming after. Wait.
No,
No,
cannot say.
no, you said he's the first expansion.
Krishna
and then Baladev.
himself, we are saying this is our speak how to explain. Krishna himself manifested in the form of Baladev Prabhu. Krishna manifested in the form of Srimati Radhika.
Which came first? Cannot say.
We cannot say which Radhika, because when you are trying to understand in our material brain, oh, his past, he is saying this.
The thing is, it's not my question.
Yes, it's not your question.
I want to put a question, but
Yeah.
What's the
you
relationship
give
between...
an answer for another thing. I don't know. Okay, anyway. no problem.
Who is Srimati Radhika?
She's non different than Krishna.
Also she is not different.
So Baladev is also expansion of Radhika?
Huh?
Baladev, Radhika, she manifests Baladev? If Krishna manifests Baladev?
Listen to that. In one word I say, then you will confuse. Because Rasa Vichar, Tattva Vichar, you have to separate. As like river flows, then two banks are going side by side. This is the Tattva Vichar. A river flows means here, two banks are going. This way. Yes, actually, one side Baladev Prabhu, one side Srimati Radhika. If you do this mixed together, then everything will spoil.
No river.
There is no river. A river flows means is what? Two banks are going. That way. Krishna is called Satchidananda Vigraha. Satchit and Ananda. Krishna is one. Ekameva Parama Tattvam. Sahavika Achinta Sakta. Sarupa Tadrupa Viva Jiva Pradhana Rupena. You know this word? Ekameva Parama Tattvam. Only one absolute truth. Who is that? Krishna. Who is Krishna? Satchidananda Vigraha. Only one tattva. But he is called Satchit Ananda. He is one, but inside in three. You try to understand this. Ekameva Paramatattam Sahavika Achinta Sakta, which is Sahavik and Achinta Sakti. The two adjectives are here saying this. He manifests himself in many forms with his Achinta Sakti and Sahavik means continuous. You learn this sloka, I don't know, you know this sloka, Ekameva Paramatattam. Eko Paramatattam, only one Paramatattam. That is called Paramatattam is what? Absolutely truth. Ekameva Paramatattam. But he manifested many forms with his Achinta Sakti. Inconceivable potential. And that potential is Savhaviki. Not any artificial, not mixed with anything. So Ekameva Paramatattam Sahavika Achinta Sakti. Sarupa Tadrupa Viva Jiva Pradhana Rupana. He is one, but he manifests in four forms now coming. Chaturvidha Avasishta. Chaturvidha is Swayam Group. You understand? Swayam Rupe Braje Brajendrananam. When we discuss about Krishna Tattva, Swayam Rupe Braje Brajendrananam. This is his origin form. Then his two expansion is coming. Swayam Group, three. Swayam Roop, Tadekvatma Roop, Abesh. You read the Krishna Tattva. Swayam Rupe Braje Brajanandam. Again Swayam Roop given two. After three. Swayam Roop, Tadekatma Roop or Abesh. All this Swayam Roop again two also again. That is called his one. No. That is called, what is called? Swayam Roop, Swayam Prakash, Vaibhav. Look this, when we discuss the Krishna Tattva. So who is Swayam Roop Brajanandan? Samsundar Krishna himself. Then his Vaibhav Prakash, then Prabhav Vaibhav. This is explained.
Vaibhav is Baladev.
Vibhu, actually Vaibhav, so this what is from Vibhu to Vaibhav. Then he expansion. Then Baladev Prabhu manifests. Why Krishna is doing?
But where is Radharani in there? She's what? She's manifested by which?
There is Tattva Siddhanta. Srimati Radhika Tattva is not we are discussing now. You are discussing about Baladev Tattva.
But I guess I ask a question and I'm still thinking about this.
Radhaji, where Radhaji manifests from Krishna?
Left side. But she's inside of before.
No. That is Sambit Sandhini Hladin. Understand? Where there is your Radharani, is your Hladini Shakti is there. There infinite minus infinite. What is that?
Infinite.
Infinite. So when that means when Radharji is inside is there. He still is there, but he is not manifest. So two things are discussed here. One is called, what is called? Manifest and unmanifest. Murta and Amurta. Murta is Krishna, he is only one. That means Murta manifest. Krishna is only Eko Aham. Eko Aham. Vedanta Darshan is saying Eko Aham. Krishna first is saying I am only one. Eko me Paravam Tattva. But he is not one. He is always in three is there, but he is one. Eko me. Then Krishna is thinking Bahu Sami. I manifest many forms. Why? Because I want to perform Leela. Radha Krishna Ekam Sarup Leela Ras Asadite Dhare Dvire. When Krishna is thinking I will perform Leela, that time Yogama arrange this way, then manifestation too. Understand? Where is Krishna, there is Radha. You cannot separate.
That's my question. She's part of Swayam Roop. Who? Radha. She's part of, she's non-different than Krishna. So she also original.
Srimati Radhika is non-different than Krishna. Why is you? Because Tattva is not everything.
But Baladev, is he also told like this? He lives in Krishna
Krishna
also?
is one. Everything is there, one Tattva.
Yeah, Tattva is something, but...
No, something not. You first want to understand the Tattva. Tattva is one. Ekam eva parama tattvam. This is what is it. Ekam eva. Ekmatra. Only one Tattva. That is called with the Supreme Personality, Swayam Bhagavan. But when is Swayam Bhagavan, that will be one Tattva. So for the Advaitavadi, they are saying this way. They only Eka Brahma. We are saying Krishna, they are using this word Brahma. That is called Advaigan Pratattva. Advaigan, Advait Tattva means is one. Not Dvaimiti, non-dual. Yadi Vaishnava philosophy and Mayavad philosophy is coming this way. Mayavad philosophy, that is only the speculative. Or Vaishnava philosophy, they are giving the evidence from Shastra. This is the thing. He is one, but he is Sachidananda. But what is called Mayavadi, they don't believe they Brahma is Sachidananda. Because why? Because if the impartial think they are Sachidananda, three things will come. Three things will come. For this reason, they don't use this word Brahma is Sachidananda. You try to understand this. But where is Krishna? There is Radha. So now here he is saying Murta and Amurta. When Srimati Radhika inside of Krishna, that is called Srimati Radhika is called Amurta. When Srimati Radhika separate from Krishna, that is called Murta. Manifest and unmanifest. So Srimati Radhika is coming from where? When Krishna's desire, I will perform Leela. That time she is manifest. You tried Nandi. When Srimati Radhika, when Krishna desired Karna, so he said Krishna Das very clear. Radha Krishna ekoi sarup. A Lilaros asadite dharir. When Lilaros sadam. When Krishna is thinking, I will really sing asadam. Really.
No, but I completely agree, Maharaj.
So-
My point is that before she manifests outside,
She is inside of Krishna.
like Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, he said that they are non-different. You can say Radha is God. You can say Krishna is the fiancé of the consort of Radha. He can say, but we don't do. We don't say Radharani is God. But actually she is completely, 100%.
Apart the Chit Jagat, everything is complete. There is no incomplete world.
So then, when we understand,
Only just
But
the
this
Gaudiya
Siddhanta
Vaishnava Tattva Siddhanta, Rasa Siddhanta. Okay. Understand?
yeah,
Tattva Siddhanta, Krishna is supreme. He is Sachidananda. Rasa Siddhanta, you know, Srimati Radhika is supreme. Srimati Radhika, she is the supreme means is controller. She controls everyone.
but I'm talking Tattva Siddhanta.
So Tattva Siddhanta, Krishna is one.
Absolute consideration, not Rasa Tattva.
Okay, when you Tattva Siddhanta, Krishna is one. But one is three.
Huh? One is-
Three in one.
Three.
Otherwise, you Mayavad village will come.
So you know why I'm asking this? Actually, I didn't want to say anything, but I didn't want to reveal something
No, no,
because
no.
Gurudev
You
said don't talk about it. So one time somebody asked Gurudev, is Baladev also coming from Radharani?
Huh?
One time somebody asked Gurudev, is Baladev coming from Srimati Radharani?
Baladev coming from Srimati Radha.
Yeah, also because she's not different than Krishna. So coming from Krishna or Radha is the same thing. So somebody asked the question to Gurudev, and Gurudev said something and said, don't repeat it to anybody. No, he said something about that. So I want to confirm with you if you have the same conclusions.
Conclusion. Everything, if I will speak to you, you can understand according your own level. If I tell you many things, you will be confused many things. Because of Puran, different things. Krishna manifested from where?
From Sunday.
Srimati Radhika. You confused. If I tell you, you confused. But this is true, I give the evidence from the Shastra.
Very nice. Very good.
If I tell you, you will confuse because you never heard this.
Yeah, but
But the Shastra is saying.
I'm not confused. I'm very happy now.
Well, how possible?
I was confused and now no more.
Which Shastra is saying this?
Which Shastra is saying
In my,
this?
with my hand, this is called the Brahmanda Puran saying. Yeah.
Okay.
Evidence is there. But everybody cannot understand this because they are confused.
Yeah.
They are how possible? So everything should not tell to everybody who is not qualified. Who is qualified, then they go, okay, this is true. This is the thing.
It's very disturbing.
Disturbing.
Very disturbing.
Who is Nanda Maharaj? Who is Yashoda?
The expansions of Radharani.
Actually, Srimati Radhika herself manifests in the form of Nanda Maharaj. Manvi Srimati, what is called?
Motherly affection. Motherly
This is how
affection.
they think. And her that is called embodiment of Vatsala Murti. Srimati Radhika. In this way, she is giving this. But if I tell to that those who are non-developed, you have no idea, you say, how possible? How possible? They can understand this. Many things in the Shastra say, just you read Grantha and you chant holy name, your realization will come. Everything you can say, you can understand. Realization. For this guy, Jaiva Dharma, Bhakti, what is called? Babaji Maharaj told to Brajanath Vijay Kumar, oh, you asked him this question, very confident. If I tell you, you can understand. But I am saying these things, you chant holy name, then realization will come. This is the thing.
Yeah, Gurudev used to say that also to his sannyasis once in morning walk.
Look this way.
If
I
I
am
tell you
saying
what I
this
know,
way.
you don't.
I am not saying this way. Krishna manifested from Srimati Radhika. Listen, I am saying Krishna manifested from Srimati Radhika. If you will tell everybody, oh, he is crazy. Where is the advantage? Everybody become completely what?
Confused.
Disturbed. What is the evidence? Why? We know this, Krishna is everything from manifestation Krishna. So if it is why he's saying this, maybe he's crazy.
So how did he can manifest from Radhika? That's really amazing.
Very amazing.
Very interesting. Tomorrow.
This is, everything is confidence.
Yeah.
Eh? Son is father, father is son. You understand? Son is father, father is son.
Yeah.
But how to prove these things? Father position is father.
Yeah.
Son's position is. But we are saying the put what is called. Son is father, father is son.
Yeah.
The confusion comes.
Yeah.
Because son cannot take the position of father. Eh? Otherwise big problem, relation big problem will come. Because everything have to speak according to the adhikar of the
Audience.
audience.
True.
Understand?
Yeah.
This is
If you speak something which is too high, then
no,
people
according
get
is-
upset.
No,
They cannot
according
understand,
to
they
the
cannot take it.
according to the what is called and capacity to accept. If you speak, they cannot digest.
Yeah.
They cannot digest.
Sometimes they were chanting a song in one Indian families, a song very high, and the lady became upset. And Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Maharaj is chastised all his devotees. So why you sing this type of songs in front of the new people? They cannot understand.
Everybody was saying, why this thing, why Maharaj saying this? Because here the Tattva Siddhanta, Ekameva Parama Tattvam. We Ekameva Krishna. Our philosophy is Krishna is the supreme. And Rasa Siddhanta Srimati Radhika is the supreme. You can see how the proof. Because Krishna is the Rasa Vaisa Jeva Labdhanandir Bhavati. Now I'm saying to you, you can understand this. Krishna is the embodiment of Rasa. Rasa manifested from where? Coming this vichar, tattva vichar. Both vichar is coming. Rasa Vaisa. Rasa Vaisa Jeva Labdha Nandir Bhavati. Upanishad saying this. Krishna is called the embodiment of Rasa. Rasa coming from where? Radhika. So Krishna manifested from where? Logical term. Srimati Radhika also sees the Hladini Ananda. Krishna only is called the Sambhit Gyan. Srimati Radhika see the embodiment of Ananda. Ananda means Rasa. And without Rasa, the Ananda melody will not come.
There's no actually happiness.
So how Krishna
No
is,
rasa, no
then we prove this way, the Krishna is Rasa Vaisa Rasa coming. Rasa is coming from the Rasgulla. Without Rasgulla, where is Rasa? Or without Rasa, how the Rasgulla is coming? You know Rasgulla? So Rasa is coming from Rasgulla. Or Rasgulla is coming from Rasa. You know, when he is making the
circular.
what is called
Circular.
syrup. Then only you the fried that the bowl, that is not the rasgulla. Understand? When that the bowl, what is called?
Gula.
When you put in the syrup, milk, chini, sugar,
In Bible,
sugar syrup,
In Bible.
that the juice is coming.
Maharaj,
So
But you know-
Krishna coming from where?
from Ras.
Rasa.
No,
Because
but-
here these two things, Rasa, Vaisa, Jeva, Labdhan, Mammi. Where is Rasa coming?
No, Bhakti Rakshakshida Maharaj, he says that rasa is in Krishna.
Pardon?
Rasa is in Krishna already.
Yes, okay.
And to taste that rasa is the Madhanakya Mahabhav, Srimati Radharani, she is the most expert. And this rasa is very subtle, so nobody can go so far to get this rasa, but Radharani, she can do complete tasting the rasa which is inside of Krishna. So how do you say this rasa is coming from her, when she is the one who is tasting the rasa, which is already in Krishna's?
So inside in Krishna, who is he? Who is he?
Rasa is inside the Krishna.
Who is he? Who is that? Who is the embodiment of Rasa? Radhika. Without Radhika, Krishna will
But
not
she's
become
tasting
Krishna.
rasa.
Who is tasting?
Radharani? No?
Radharani,
Because Krishna he wants to taste his own rasa and he becomes Radharani.
Radharani tasting which rasas from Krishna, or Krishna taking rasas from Srimati Radhika.
Why she needs to taste rasa from him if she is herself?
Because when you discuss about the rasa tattva, there are two things: asray visay. Krishna is visay tattva, Radha is asray tattva. Asray visay, when they are meeting, that the ras coming. Ras manifested not only this way. Ras is coming in two things: asray and visay tattva.
Not by itself.
Not only one tattva. Only asray tattva ras will not come. Only visay tattva ras will not come. When asray and ras visay, you understand this philosophy? So Krishna is visay tattva, Radha is asray tattva. When they meeting the ras, ras is only one thing. Ras is two things.
Maharaj, can we say that in Vrindavan, all ras are tattva, and all tattva in Vrindavan are ras?
Ras is there.
It's only
So why
ras
I'm
and
saying this?
tattva, all one,
Krishna is Rasik.
none different.
When Krishna is Rasik? When he meet with Srimati Radhika. Do you understand? When Krishna is Rasik, when Krishna is Rasik. But the Krishna is Brahma. But when Krishna, that Brahma, when will you meet with Srimati Radhika? That he is called the Rasik Brahma.
And that's Vrindavan.
It has been said that rasa wants to taste itself. Rasa means rasa wants to taste rasa. It is like consciousness can understand consciousness.
Sugar cane taste itself.
No, but that's the point.
All
Then Krishna cannot taste himself. He tries, but he cannot do.
examples,
Then he
he cannot,
becomes
all material
Chaitanya
examples,
Mahaprabhu.
you
Radharani's
cannot
mood,
give
and he
the
can taste
conclusion.
himself. Huh?
All material example, you cannot apply to the tansil. What is the need? That is a segment, according to our understanding.
This is Vichar Pradhan Marg. You will never be able to catch that. You have to go to Ruchri Pradhan Marg. Just flowing like the
Ananda
river
Chinmaya
Jamuna.
Rasa Pratibha Vistar Ananda Chinmaya Rasa Pratibha Vistar Nija Rupa Tvaya Kalavi. Yes, Brahma Samhita very clearly written. Ananda Chinmaya Rasa. Who is Ananda Chinmaya? Krishna himself, Rasa Rasa Visa. But his Rasa, how to taste the Rasa?
He becomes Radharani, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So himself testing himself.
He is testing himself. Because Krishna is not different from Radha, Radha is not different from Krishna. Is it concept? Radha, Krishna, they are meeting together. Rasla saying this way. Krishna Krishna is Krishna is embracing Srimati Radhika. What is that? Jatha Arbhakam Jatha. Srimad Bhagavad Sukadeva Goswami told Parikshit Maharaj. Why are you confused? The Krishna is not playing to others gopis, not any other person. Krishna himself, he is embracing to himself. Who is that? Srimati Radhika, none different from Krishna. Srimad Bhagavad sloka is this way.
So now it makes sense what you said, that she is rasa also.
She is rasa.
Because she's non-different.
Non-different, just.
So it's just a play, it's just
the
drama.
playing this.
Okay.
Drawing this lead.
Chalo.
You lead.
Haribol.
Rasa, rasa.